Let's talk about Medicare and how you can make the most of your coverage because I know it can feel overwhelming with all the options out there. If you've got Medicare, you probably already know it doesn't cover everything. Those out of pocket expenses like deductibles, co-pays, and co-insurances can really add up over the years. That's why a lot of folks look into extra coverage like Medigap plans to help fill in those gaps. Now, Medigap plans are great for covering what Medicare doesn't, but they're not always the most affordable solutions. The premiums can be on the higher side, and like most insurance, those rates usually go up each year. That's where Medicare Advantage comes in as a smart alternative for many people. So, what is Medicare Advantage and how does it work? Let's break it down. Medicare Advantage, also called Medicare Part C, is basically a different way to get your Medicare benefits. Instead of the government paying your healthcare bills directly, you sign up with a private insurance company that handles everything. They take your Medicare coverage and provide all of your Medicare Part A and Part B benefits. To sign up for a Medicare Advantage plan, you just need to be enrolled in both Medicare Part A and Part B and live in the area the plan serves. You'll still pay your Part B premium, but the Advantage plan might offer lower or even zero monthly premiums depending on the plan. One thing people really like about Medicare Advantage plans is they include prescription drug coverage, so you don't need to buy a separate Part D plan. Plus, there's a built-in cap on how much you will spend out of pocket each year for medical care. Once you hit that limit, the plan covers the rest for the year, which brings a lot of people peace of mind. It's important to know though that Medicare Advantage plans and Medigap plans aren't the same thing. Medigap works alongside original Medicare while Medicare Advantage replaces the way you get your benefits. The Medicare Advantage you will usually pay as you go. Think co-pays for doctor visits and other services. Another thing to consider, many Advantage plans throw in extra perks you won't find with the original Medicare. We're talking dental, vision, hearing, sometimes even gym membership or money towards over-the-counter items like vitamins. These extras can be a big difference, but they do vary by plan. Now, let's chat about networks. Most Medicare Advantage plans are either HMOs or PPOs. With the HMO, you will pick a primary care doctor and generally stick to the providers in the plan's network, except for emergencies. PPOs, on the other hand, give you more flexibility. You can see any doctor, even out of network, though you'll pay more if you go outside the network. PPOs usually don't require referrals, but for specialists, which is a nice plus if you like managing your own care. One question I hear all the time at Insurance Corner Solution is, should I stick with the original Medicare or is Medicare Advantage a better fit? Here's the deal. Original Medicare gives you the freedom to see nearly any doctor or hospital in the country that accepts Medicare, but you'll be on the hook for more out-of-pocket costs unless you add a Medigap plan. Medicare Advantage plans, meanwhile, keep costs more predictable and often come with those extra benefits, but you'll need to use the plan's provider network and keep an eye on yearly changes. Speaking of changes, Medicare Advantage can update their premiums, co-pays, benefits, and networks every year. That's why it's so important to review your plan each fall and make sure it still lines up with your needs. If it doesn't, don't worry. You've got options. During the annual election period in the fall, you can switch plans or go back to original Medicare if you want. There's also another window early in the year for folks already on Medicare Advantage to make a one-time change. I know that's a lot to take on, and the choices can get overwhelming, especially since there are so many plans out there. That's exactly why I do what I do. I'm Shay Franklin, owner and insurance consultant here at Insurance Corner Solutions. My team and I specialize in helping folks just like you navigate all these Medicare options and find a plan that actually fits your life. If you'd like to discuss your choices or have any questions, you can reach me directly at any time. Stop by our local office here in McCormick, South Carolina, or give me a call at 864-466-9933 or visit us online at insurancecornersolutions.com. If you found this video helpful, please refer to the next video for more educational material. Thank you.
Insurance Corner.